Thanks for tuning in for another essential RC flight test, and today we're looking at the new Extra 330 LX from our friends at HobbyKing.com. Quick rundown of the specs on this one: 1.42 meter wingspan, 1.35 meter length. Comes with a 600 kV brushless outrunner matched up with a Aerostar 60 amp speed controller, 1.94 kg weight. Needs a 2700 to 4000 4S LiPo battery, but basically comes with everything that we need in the box to get it flying, less your receiver, your transmitter, and that flight battery. What is especially great about this model is that it's another model from Avios, who have over the last few years delivered fantastic scale radio controlled planes that we've enjoyed flying. So I suspect this is going to have a lot of great scale detail, and even better that it's a collaboration between Avios and rcgroups.com. Now, rcgroups.com, you should know if you're into radio controlled stuff that this is the forum to go to for any advice and exciting news about anything radio controlled. They cover everything radio controlled: model airplanes, boats, cars, you name it, they cover it. Now, I know that I go on RC Groups a lot, but Jim Bork, the owner and founder of RC Groups, is not just keen on radio controlled model flying, but also full size flying as well. And I've seen that he flies a Yak and he flies an Extra as well. So he's obviously poured a lot of enthusiasm and passion into this new model from HobbyKing. So let's not hang around. Let's take the components out of the box. Let's see what we get. Okay, so here we go. These are all the components out of the box. So starting quickly with the fuselage from the back, we can see we've got this is for the elevator servo is in place. It's a 2506 metal geared digital servo. I can see as well we've got on the side the closed loop system for the rudder. A closed loop is definitely the best way to control the rudder for aerobatics, precise aerobatics. So great to see that on foamy. I don't think I've ever seen a closed loop system on a foamy before, so great to see that. What we've got on the sides, obviously the wings onto the side, just push into these electrical connections for the ailerons. We've got a carbon tube for the joiner underneath. If we take this hatch off, we can see the big arm on the rudder servo with the wires for the closed loop system there. In terms of the landing gear, it's all pre-assembled. We're just going to have to bolt that on underneath, easily done. Cockpit and pilot already in place, and then looking under here, the hatch at the front, we can see we've got our speed controller which will velcro in place, and nice big area to move our 4S 4000 pack, or 5,000 pack in here, because it's so big. Move it around to get the right CG. And as well, you can see we've got the brushless the brushless motor already installed, so we just got to put the 14x7 wood, and it's a wood prop that they've provided as well with the spinner. Wings already put together for you, so all pre-hinged, metal gear digital servos already attached with the arm to the horn. Just have to put those onto the carbon tube into the fuselage, and then all the other control surfaces, or as well the rudder and the vertical stabilizer already put together. We're just going to have to bolt that in place, I suspect, with the horizontal stabilizer. It's already pre-hinged as well, and these nice side force generators, which compared to other models, they're quite flimsy, but these have got nice plastic mounts, and they're reinforced as well vertically, so they don't bend. Okay, so I'm going to put this together quickly now, and let's see what it looks like when it's all together. Okay, so here we are down the flying field with the Extra 330 LX, and super easy to put together. I don't even really have any build tips because it is that straightforward. Did it in about half an hour, and then it's just a case of dropping in your receiver and programming up your transmitter for your rates and your throws and your expo. So yeah, easily done. So I'm using a 4S 2700 pack right up the front as well to get the CG 2700 pack, because I want to keep it super light so I can really throw it around. 4000 pack, you go with a 4000 pack, or even maybe even a 5000 4S pack for longer flying times. But if your preference is to do really aggressive 3D and aerobatics, then as with any aerobatic plane, you want to try and keep it light. So that's what I've done for these first few maiden flights. Okay, so here we go. there you go. Pretty good for a maiden flight to be able to, you know, do some reasonable aerobatics with it. Didn't spend too much time trimming it out really, but flies really, really well. hovering fairly easy, and general aerobatics fairly easy as well. So look it up on the HobbyKing.com website. It's the Extra 330 LX, designed by Avios in collaboration with rcgroups.com. Great job. Going to enjoy flying this a lot more over the coming weeks and months. So thanks for watching. If you'd like to subscribe for more essential RC flight tests, then please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Otherwise, we have news, reviews and the occasional free giveaway on our Facebook group. Thanks for watching. See you next time.